Our world is hidden with a lot of secrets that are yet to be discovered and strange mysteries that are yet to be solved. In this video, I'm going to tell you the 7 questions that even scientists cannot answer. Before moving on, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So, moving on to number 7, what are black holes? Black holes, you have heard about them. They are a part of different movies. Well, you may have heard about them before. There are the places in the universe with so much gravity that even light cannot escape from it. What are they? Huh? No one is able to answer them. But it is believed that there are over 1 million black holes in the Milky Way alone. And Milky Way is our galaxy. And guess how many other galaxies there are? According to the scientists, when a massive star dies, it turns into a black hole. Some consider that the black holes are the pathway into another universe, while others believe that you can travel through the time if you happen to pass through the black hole. But can you still enter it alive? Nah, there's a point near the black hole called the event horizon, after crossing which there is no turning back. The gravity increases so much that our body will be ripped apart. The nearest black hole, where is it? The nearest black hole is about 3,000 light years away. It means if you are abroad on fastest spacecraft ever made on Earth, it will take more than 12 million years. So there is no need to be afraid of them. They won't eat our Earth, they won't eat you alive. So let's move on to number 6, the dark matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. That is the definition that you've read in your previous classes. The first thing that comes to your mind are the solid, liquid, gases, and the plasma. But let me reveal unto you another form of the matter, a form that is invisible and yet constitutes 90% of the universe, the dark matter. It is considered as the fluid that acts as a spider's web to bind every planet, star, galaxy, and heavenly body in its place. The answer to the question, what black matter is made up of, is unanswered. There is no proof of its existence, but it has not yet revealed to the eye. Can it be another atom? An atom yet undiscovered? Can it be a type of plasma? Or may just it be a gravity? Who knows? So, moving on to number 5. What is dark energy? As there is dark matter that binds every part of the universe as a sticky substance, there is dark energy that scientists believe is the reason behind the ever expanding universe. In the 1990s, the scientists came up with the idea that there is some force or a substance opposing the gravity. They called it the dark energy. According to some hypotheses, it is considered as a shifting energy field called quintessence that makes up to 70% of the known universe. Albert Einstein already proposed this concept earlier, but it was revealed later on in 1990s. So, what really it is? What really is this energy made up of? And what is the source of that energy? No one has yet ever discovered, and scientists are unable to answer these questions. So let's move on to number 4, the second sun. If we consider the star system of Milky Way galaxy, that is, our galaxy, about 80% of them have binary system, which means that they have two suns. Scientists believe that another sun was sighted which they call Nemesis. More studies by scientists have provided the evidence by observing a young stars cluster in our galaxy. The stars with the properties such as that of Sun are formed in pairs, but Nemesis is still a mystery until scientists find another spot, another star just like our Sun. So, can our solar system have another sun? Yet another mystery. So, moving on to number 3, the peculiar behavior of Uranus and Neptune. Scientists say that there are at least 8 worlds yet undiscovered at the fringes of space corner. The strange behavior of Uranus and Neptune's orbital trajectories is one of the evidence that there is some gigantic gravitational body that is throwing these planets out of their orbits. Previously, Pluto was considered to be a planet, but at the end, what happened? It was found that it isn't. The status of Pluto changed to being a star. So, let's move on to number 2, the antimatter. You have heard about matter, but what is antimatter? The matter, the definition of which I already have told you in the previous dark matter topic. But in this, I am going to tell you about the antimatter. As the name indicates, it's the opposite to matter. It has same mass as that of matter particle but has opposite charge. So what would happen if matter combines with antimatter? Can something happen? Would there be an explosion or something else? Let's see. When matter combines with antimatter, annihilation takes place. For example, if electron and its antiparticle positron combines with each other, they will be consumed. But when and why did the antiparticles form? Scientists believe that antimatter was formed with the Big Bang, but why it was formed, the mystery has yet to be solved. So, moving on to number 1. But before moving on to number 1, must like the video and subscribe the channel. So our number 1 is the presence of multi-universe. Scientists believe that just like ours, more than millions of other universes also exist. Scientists have presented different theories such as the butterfly effect, the chaos theory, or the theory of daughter universes. There is no experimental basis to all these theories as they have not yet been proved. But do these multiple universes, or often called the parallel universe, really exist? In 2010, a scientist named Stephen M. Finney studied the data of Vinson microwave anisotropy probe. After analyzing the data completely, he claimed that our universe collided with a parallel universe in distant past. Ho ho! Our universe colliding with another universe. There is a long debate. We will cover the topic, do multiple universes really exist? And what are the evidence of parallel worlds, in another video. So that was all for today. And do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.